Webuy is an emerging community e-commerce retailer that focuses on grocery and travel. Their approach to e-commerce covers areas like sales, supply chain management, internet marketing, and inventory systems. The company's business model is centered around a unique form of community e-commerce that leverages social media platforms to connect users with shared interests into powerful community groups. In May 2022, they diversified their offerings by introducing innovative travel services, tapping into the rising demand post-pandemic. They launched Mickey 1.0 in December 2024, a proprietary travel AI assistant available via WhatsApp that provides instant intelligent travel support and strengthens their leadership in digital travel planning. In October 2023, they introduced an online to offline O2O business model, utilizing an advanced franchise system, integrating their digital capabilities with physical interactions for better customer service delivery. The social e-commerce community platform is a business model based on a group buy model. The platform encourages customer engagement by allowing them to participate in group purchases at lower prices or purchase products individually. Customers can earn shopping perks such as e-vouchers, sales commissions, and coins through daily check-ins and product reviews. Group leaders play a crucial role in organizing group purchases, providing feedback on customer needs, and helping with inventory management. The platform offers services such as the sale of produce, lifestyle goods, beauty products, dining vouchers, repair services, and travel packages. Prices are determined by customer demand and feedback from group leaders, allowing for efficient price setting and inventory management processes. The community-based purchasing model for groceries offers pickup and home delivery options, with free home delivery for minimum purchases. Group leaders consolidate bulk orders, allowing economies of scale and low average delivery costs per item. Customers can still engage with group leaders through various communication channels, including in-app chat. The company's process is the same for both pickup and home delivery options. Their approach emphasizes acquiring and retaining customers through group leaders. They acquire group leaders through social media channels and referrals, equip them with marketing skills, and train them on customer service, product features, and account operations. Once trained, group leaders promote the platform within their social network, onboard new customers, and coordinate group purchases via WhatsApp integrated with their app. The company incentivizes group leaders for successful onboarding and repeat orders while gathering post-purchase feedback. The product delivery process concentrates on providing speedy deliveries at low costs. There's direct contact with suppliers and importers to avoid distributor-related time and cost margins, ensuring vertical integration for increased profit. Goods are stored in warehouses before being transported to group leaders, who consolidate bulk orders and store goods for customers' pickup or home delivery. Technology is leveraged by using tools such as a smart recommendation algorithm and an AI travel assistant to enhance customer experience by providing tailored product recommendations and seamless travel planning support. A fast and fast-out inventory management model is followed to minimize waste, and group leaders play a vital role in reducing last-mile delivery costs. This integrated approach allows for streamlined operations while enriching user experiences across different verticals. Webuy primarily conducts business through social networking channels like WhatsApp and WeChat. Customers can browse and purchase products, read short video reviews, and contact group leaders to place group orders on the Webuy platform. It offers pickup and home delivery options for orders. The platform integrates with WhatsApp for better customer engagement. Payment is handled by third-party providers, UnionPay and PayNow, allowing customers to choose their preference. Once an order is confirmed, logistics arrangements are made with a third-party service provider for delivery of products or services. Payment procedures available to customers at checkout include options like PayNow, credit and debit card, or UnionPay. After confirming a payment method, users can review order details before making a payment. Additionally, users are able to manage orders under My Orders and cancel unpaid or unshipped orders. Refunds for canceled orders are processed back to the original payment method. Refund and return procedures encompass an automatic refund option that customers can request within 48 hours of placing an order. This process involves selecting a reason for the return or refund, describing the unwanted product, and uploading photos. If a user no longer qualifies for an automatic return or refund, they may still submit a request which will be marked as pending. Customer traffic is generated through word-of-mouth referrals, user recommendations, marketing campaigns, and physical store visits. They maintain customer loyalty by offering shopping perks like exclusive promotions and product festivals. The Webuy mobile app allows customers to earn coins for completing tasks, which can be used as credits for future purchases. Group leaders enjoy lower purchase prices with large orders and can convert sales commissions into assets or cash. The company offers an instant refund guarantee policy within 48 hours of receiving products, but maintains a low refund rate through proactive monitoring by group leaders. This customer-centric approach extends to their travel vertical, where they provide personalized support for planning and booking. The range of products and services offered on the Webuy platform includes fresh produce, lifestyle items, FMCG products, e-vouchers, daily needs products, travel packages, cruises, group tours, air tickets, hotel bookings, along with their AI-powered travel assistant called Mickey 1.0. The company sources its products based on market demand feedback from group leaders and recommendations from existing suppliers. Webuy provides value-added services to suppliers such as market analysis and online marketing through short video reviews. Their large customer base allows them to gather comprehensive data for better understanding and catering to customers' needs, predicting sales volume based on preferences and trends. The company extends its group purchase model beyond merchandise to the travel industry, recognizing the increasing demand for travel post-pandemic. Webuy's proprietary travel AI assistant, Mickey 1.0, delivers real-time package recommendations, price quotes, itinerary suggestions, and destination insights, enhancing customer experience while helping suppliers reach users more efficiently. Security measures to protect customer data and maintain cybersecurity involve partnering with Red Dot Payment Gateway for secure payment transactions, implementing high-strength encryption algorithms such as AES, having a hardware and device management system with features like hardware change alarm and USB port management, using document and data encryption methods, conducting sensitive content analysis, incorporating OpenVPN's proprietary network authentication to prevent intrusion, and employing Alibaba's cloud backend management system with an enhanced two-step verification process. For more on Webuy and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.